very good evening. You're watching News for KARBI ANGLONG. I am Beauty Rongpi. Now news in details. Nilip constituency Koilamati area appreciates to Mr. Pavitra Rongpi for his kind-hearted and repairing wooden bridge. Since the BJP government, under the leadership of Mr. Tuliram Rongham, has able to form the government in KARBI ANGLONG, lots of developments has been done in many regions in the same ways. In the Nilip Koilamati regions, the local MLC Mr. Pavitra Rongpi had also done tremendous work in Koilamati regions, which the weekend wooden bridge was made after giving informations by the local people. So, the Nilip Koilamati regions would like to appreciate local MLC Pavitra Rongpi for his kind heart towards his people, and local people also plead local MLC to bring more schemes for the betterment of Nilip Koilamati regions.